Hey guys, this is my dog Maverick. I just wanted to record me playing with him. So Maverick, I'm gonna go after him. Watch what happens. He's very tricky. This is his red toy. Oh, I'm blinded by the sun. He doesn't want to play anymore. So anyways, guys, just wanted to show you how fun having a dog is. And if you're thinking of getting a pet, I would suggest getting a puppy. They're really fun to play with. They love their owners. And they always just, like, do fun stuff. I mean, they play with their owners way more than cats. That's one thing I cannot deny saying. So, and older dogs aren't as energetic as puppies are. So yeah, just in case you wanted to get a dog. Bye guys.